Okay, so I've shown you all how to make an invigorating cacao face mask, and today I'm going to show you how to make an anti-aging face mask using the acai berry powder. Now, acai berry is a superfood, meaning that it is really rich in antioxidants, and one of its most common uses is for anti-aging. So I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of the Happy Way acai berry powder. I've got some honey, so I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of honey. Now, honey has been shown to be anti-inflammatory as well as antibacterial, so it's just really nice to pop on top of the skin. You can take it one step further and use a manuka honey, which is also really good at balancing the skin's pH. Next, I'm going to be using some Greek yogurt. Now, this is just really nice and soothing and calming for the skin, especially if you do have a little bit of acne or angry skin. Again, I'm going to be using some rosehip seed oil because personally I like to use that on my face, but you can use that, or you can leave that step out. And then optional, this is if you do have acne or you have had a breakout and your skin is quite angry, add in a little bit of oatmeal because it's really calming and soothing for your skin. Now, if you have popped all these ingredients together in your bowl and you've started mixing them and they're a little bit too thick, just add a dash of water as you need it. Now, once again, this is a face mask that you would use probably once a week. Now, I would wear this for about 15 minutes. I'd apply it onto really clean, cleansed skin, leave it on. If you do find that it's irritating your skin, take it off immediately, and then just do your normal skincare routine. But yes, once I've popped this on for 15 minutes, I'd wash it off and then just continue with my normal skincare routine.